Hi guys, this is Siggy QG35 Security. Today I will show you how to install Batocera on a hard drive with Windows 11 Dual Boot Guide. Explain. To install Batocera new version 2025 on USB or hard disk, you need shrink the partition disk or install hard disk upgrade on Windows 11 X.64 EFI, including install Batocera on USB flash drive. Step by step. To do that you should follow my instruction. Install Batocera on USB flash drive on bootloader 2.1.2. Setup. First go to browser. Click download Batocera for PC or gaming PC high requirements. Next browser download bootloader. Click download. Click download bootloader 2.1.2. Setup last version. Click start download. Click OK. Open browser. Connect USB flash drive. Run bootloader as administrator. Click flash from file. Select Batocera image, then open. Click select target. Select SanDisk USB device, then click select one. Click flash to start format and install Batocera on USB device. It will be take 25 to 30 to done process. After done, install Batocera with bootloader 2.1.2. Setup last version. You need to know how to install Batocera on Rufus 4.9 with USB device. Install Batocera on USB flash drive on Rufus 4.9. First go to browser. Go to down web page. Click download Rufus 4.9.exe. Click OK. Open browser. Run Rufus 4.9 as administrator. Select multiple partitions USB 32 GB. Click select. Select Batocera image, then open. Click start. Click OK to format USB device. Click OK. It will be take 25 to 30 to done process. To done, install Batocera. After done, install Batocera with Rufus 4.9, you should know some information about it. Batocera is shrink partition already 512 MB for user data files, game save, and unallocated partition is empty for space not use. Install Batocera by bootloader 2.1.2. Setup and Rufus 4.9. Let's run USB flash drive on VirtualBox machine. To boot up on PC or laptop, you should press 11 or 12 key and press ESC on model PC or laptop to boot up Batocera Linux games. You should disable TPM and secure boot before boot up the USB flash drive on PC or laptop. Run VirtualBox machine USB boot.x64. Go to Manager. Click Start. Batocera is already successfully boot up on USB flash drive device. All emulator games is available to play video games on it. Also you can install new games. It will be next tutorial. Install games Batocera and theme next video. Install Batocera on Windows 11 X.64 on hard disk. And disable TPM and secure boot to make sure to boot up Batocera successfully. Download 7zip.exe 64-bit. Run 7zip x.64. Click Yes. Click Install. Click Close. To install Batocera, you should shrink the disk. Right-click this PC. Click Show More. Click Manage. Go to Disk Management. Select C, Disk. Right-click C, Disk. Click Shrink Volume. Change to 28 GB. Click Shrink. Right-click Unallocated Disk. Click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Write data. Click Next. Click Finish. Right-click E-Disk. Click Shrink Volume. Change to 8 GB. Right-click Unallocated Disk. Click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Change NTFS to FAT32. Write Batocera to detect the system boot disk. Click Next. Click Finish. Now let's install Batocera image file. On Windows 11 X.64 on hard disk. Right-click Batocera image. Click Show More Options. Go to 7-zip. Click Open Archive. Click Batocera X.86.64 to open image files. Select 0.vfat.fat Windows BDP Legacy. Batocera should copy to E-disk formatted FAT32 to able. Active with the file system Windows BDP Legacy. Copy all Batocera file system boot to E-disk. After done, copy Batocera on disk E. You should know Windows 11 X.64 EFI is not going to easy boot up Batocera. Let's install AIO boot. On Windows 11 X.64 to hard disk, to make easy boot up Batocera on hard disk, remember to disable TPM and secure boot to boot up Batocera. Run AIO boot extractor. Click Yes. Click Use hard disk drive. Select C, drive 91.93 GB NTFS. Click Uncheck Auto Install Bootloader. Click OK, beginning install. Click Bootloader. Click Grub 2. Click Default or File Only. Click OK to set default Grub 2. Select F, disk FAT32 Batocera to copy IOBoot file. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Exit Bootloader. Click Tools. Click Boot ICE. Go to UEFI. Click Boot Entries. Click Add. Select Drive C, Windows 11. Go to EFI File. Go to Boot File. Select grub64.fe, then click Open. Click OK. Write aioboot.x.64. Select GPT-4, FAT32 7.8 GB F, disk Batocera partition. Click Save Current Boot Entry. Click OK. Click Up to set first boot up AIO boot. Save current again, then click OK. Close UEFI boot. Exit Boot ICE. Click Install Grub 2 Legacy to make sure to set default boot up Grub 2. Click OK. Close Tools. Close AIO boot. Now let's reboot Windows 11 X.64 EFI to AIO boot. AIO boot is boot up successfully on Windows 11 X.64 EFI. Now let's going to boot up Batocera. Let's go to Search Grub 2 and System Linux config file. Select First Boot to Batocera. Batocera is already successfully boot up on hard disk. Batocera data disk 19.53 GB for user data files, games, save and connect with partition. Batocera disk 7.8 GB. Install Batocera by manual with AIO boot. Hopefully you enjoy the video with the guide. It's now Batocera is ready to play any games you want. Don't forget like, subscribe and share with yours friends. Thank you for watching.